Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Right, we were talking about insert, drop cap, and word art. We have another option here, the text box. For example, जैसा कि यहाँ पर ये कुछ अभी टेक्स्ट लिखा हुआ है और मैं इसके फॉन्ट को छोटा कर देता हूँ थोड़ा कीबोर्ड शॉर्टकट को यूज करके कंट्रोल शिफ्ट लेस देन कंट्रोल शिफ्ट ग्रेटर देन कंट्रोल प्लस शिफ्ट प्लस greater than. Increase size of font. Control shift less than. Decrease size.
Control, please.
Okay.
Yes.
You understand these shortcuts, right?
Yes.
Okay, then. Fine. Just like Control B for bold, Control I for italic, Control U for underline, Control R for right align, Control L for left align, Control E for center align, like that. These are all shortcuts. For example, here I want at this position here, I want some text separately and manageable and movable also. So we have got text box. Click text box. And what kind of text box do you want to insert? For example, I want this one. Look, this is the text box. And now you can place this text box anywhere on the page. You can resize it and you can replace it by holding it from its edge. Okay, if you click in between the text, you will select it and you can write your own text. You can write your own text. In this text box, it is totally separated from your normal text. You can select it and you can bold it. You can change its color. You can change its font size. You can change its font name. Anything you can do it. Totally separate from your this text. Moreover, as soon as you will click on the box, you will find a new tab here named Format. Look, a new tab will appear here. Its name is Format. When you click on Format, you can see all the format options you can use. For example, look, you can change the look and feel of the box. And all these things we have discussed earlier. You can change the even text rotation and text angle. Also, you can insert, for example, this is oval. Okay, now you can insert oval here, or you can place it over the box. So this box, this text box, you can use anywhere, and you can change its wrapping from here. This also we have discussed already in our previous lectures. For example, this is type text formation, text wrapping, and this is only top and bottom, only top and bottom. This is behind the text. This is in front of the text. And this is square. Square mean you can adjust anywhere, and the text around it will behave like it's shaped the box. And for example, if you want to change the wrapping point, you can click here, edit shape. You can change the shape. For example, it's already a square, and you can change it to, we can change it to a circle, or this one. Look, I have changed its shape. Change shape. From here, you can change the shape, and from here, you can edit the points. For example, I revert it to the previous one, this one, and I added points. Look, when you will edit the point, look, you can change the box shape as you like. For example, I will keep it here, and the text will go around as the shape expanded. So in this way, you can change the shape of the square, rectangle. Okay. Now click here, click on this shape, click here, change the shape. I change the shape to this. It will quickly change the shape of my choice. For example, this one. No, this is good. And from the right side, you can see wrap text. This you have already discussed. And next, this is position. Position mean top left, top center, top right. In the middle of the page, right side, middle of the page in the center of the page, and left side of the page. If I zoom out this page, here you can see it clearly. Position, okay, top left, top center, top right. Then middle right, middle center, middle left, bottom center, and bottom right. These are 9 positions you can choose from. You can zoom in and zoom out the page by your mouse wheel, by holding the control button on the keyboard. Okay. For example, I draw another shape on it. For example, this circle. And this triangle. change the color of the triangle to this. Now we have three shapes. Number one, this text box, circle, and triangle. Now I want this triangle behind the circle. We have these two options: bring forward, bring to front, bring in front of text. These are three options. But because at the moment I have selected the triangle and I want to send it to back to the circle, so I will click on the send backward. There are three options: send backward, send to back, and send behind the text. Okay, first option means send backward. Send backward means one step back from the current position, like that. Bring forward means one step ahead from the current position. If I will click on send to back means send this element to back to all the elements which are here. You can see send to back. For example, I click on send to back. You see now the triangle has gone behind all the shapes. Whether you have 1, 2, regardless its numbers. There are two shapes: rectangle and circle, and now you can see your triangle is now behind all the shapes. If I will click bring to front means get it on the front on all objects. If you will click bring to forward, it will come forward only one step. It will come up the text box, but behind the circle, like that. Look. So I hope that you have understand the placements of the objects by using these two commands. If you will click bring in front of the text, look, now it is in front of the text. Or if you will click send behind the text, now you can see your object is behind the text. Okay. For example, I delete it, and here I draw some shapes. For example, I click on this rectangle, copy paste, change its color. I'm keeping on pressing Control V. To produce the same copies of an object. For example, I want to place all these objects in one line here, like that. But you can't align them manually at exact distance. So what we'll do, we will use the align command. This is the align. Okay. Select all object, by holding the shift button. Format, align. Okay, align top. Look, all the objects now aligned at the top. Now, distribute horizontally. First of all, what I did, I aligned the objects by clicking align top. Then I select the distribute horizontally. Now you can see all the objects are, Abdullah, can you hear me properly?
Yes, I can hear you properly.
Okay, that's nice. And for example, I have one circle. If you want to draw exact circle like that, hold down the shift button. If you want to draw oval like this, regardless it's an exact circle or not, you can draw it like this by mouse, by the free movement, by horizontal oval, vertical oval. But if you want to draw the exact circle, hold on the shift button until you draw the circle and release the left button. Again, I draw another circle. Second circle, change its color. Again, third circle, change its color. Again, fourth circle. And again, change the color. For example, I change its this color. But what's the problem? All the circles are not aligned. Okay, you can see they are not in proper aligned way. So what I will do, I will select all the circles by holding the shift button down. All the circles are selected. We'll go again in the format tab, click on the align. I will, at the moment now I will, you can align left, for example, look, align left, align right, align top, align bottom. You can, but in this situation, I wanna align them in the center. So align middle and align center. Align middle, align center. Look. Now all the circles are aligned exactly in the center. You can see now. So now what can you draw? What can you design by using this technique? You can draw the drawt board, the target board, right? You can design floor designs in this way, ceiling designs. You can make a lot of things by using this technique. Okay, you can, for example, I click here and I click rotate. You can see rotate at 90 angle, flip vertical, flip horizontal. Vertical, flip vertical, or flip horizontal, you cannot judge it here because it's a rectangle. If if we have any shape, for example, you have this shape. Here you can judge the rotation. Look, flip vertical, flip horizontal. You can see more rotation options from here. Position. This is wrapping, you already know. This is rotation. And how many degree you can rotate on 6 degree? Look, it is rotated 6 degree. You can also rotate it by holding this rotation button also. This is free rotation. Look, here it's telling you that it's 47 degree rotated. And you can change rotation here, for example, and click OK. Look, it is changed. If you want to rotate it on the exact angle like that, you can even enter the value here. You can enter 0 to keep it on the absolute position. You can change height and width from here too. I delete it. This way you can make a lot of designs. For example, insert from here a shape and take a half circle. This one. Hold on the shift button. And this is half circle. Make it half. Copy paste. Rotate it. Place it here. Okay, select the both and remove the outline. No outline, like this. Okay, a little bit combined. Okay, like that. Great. Now it looks that it's a single circle
but you can do some design magic with it. Click on format and click on this like. Okay, you can see that we have created two color circles. Select both of them and control copy paste. Resize them. Keep them here in the center. Rotate them. Look, it becomes a beautiful design. Even you can add more detailed in it. For example, take the circle, put it in the center. Remove the outline. Effect shape. You can choose any 3D shape from here.
Yeah.
Okay, look at this. Beautiful, isn't it?
Yes.
Okay, interesting.
Yes, very interesting.
Okay, that's nice. So in this way, the tools are same. The tools are very simple. And you can see there are a lot of tools you have got here under the format tab. But what is the basic thing? Basic thing is your creativity. How do you create? Everybody have MS Word in his computer. Am I right?
Yes.
Every single body have all the programs in his computer, in his laptop. But what makes you different? That is your creativity. That's your work. That how do you impress people? By your work. Now you can look here. For example, I select all these circles again like that, make a copy. And you can see the copy is not in a proper format. So what will I do? I will select them by holding the shift button. And in the format, I will create on the group. Now you can see all the items which I have added here. They are now in a group. Look, when I will move, all the parts of this shape will move together. Now I can Control C, Control V. Now your separate part of this shape will not be disturbed. Here you can again click on Format and click on Ungroup. Ungroup. And now by ungrouping, now I'm going to change the colors. For example, I make it green. Click here, make it yellow. And click here, make this yellow. Click here and make it green. Wow, great. And the circle in the middle, you can format and you can also change its color. Make it green or make it yellow. Other fill files, or you can I think this is good. Abdullah, did you see that
Yeah.
how beautifully I have designed these two configurations?
Yes.
And in this way, you can make a lot of designs by using circles, by using other shapes, other shape elements from here. You can do a lot, unimaginable, unstoppable. Right? For example, this is an object, and this is another object. Look, these are two objects, right?
Yes.
And I make it a little bit bigger and keep it here. Click here and change its color. Outline shape, no outline. Click here. Outline, no outline. Or if we want its outline, make it white. Format, bring forward. Look. You can make different kind of logos, different kinds of formations, different kinds of designs. There is a lot of options. Format. Even you can give it any 3D shapes. Look, for example, this is shape. I rotate it. What can you make with it?
A house.
Yeah, a house or the door of the house like that, or the windows in a wall, or the prayer mat, jai namaz, on which you offer your prayer, right?
Yes.
So in this way, you can think a lot of things about, and you can design them in the MS Word by using all those shapes. These are very interesting, very useful shapes. Okay. Abdullah, do you have any question?
No question.
Are you sure?
I'm sure.
Okay, thank you very much. Please do this practice today.
Okay.
Ask any question if you have any problem on the WhatsApp. Inshallah,
Okay.
see you tomorrow. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah wa barakatuh.
Walaikum salam.